But here's the interesting thing, right?
Copilot fine-tuning was another really interesting announcement. Giving enterprise the ability to unlock, their own data and fine-tune their own copilots with it is a major unlock. I'm curious where you think these domain-specific agents will really excel, and is there any types of proprietary data that will give companies a real advantage over just like generic copilots?
Yeah, it's a super important question. Like, I mean, in some sense, what is the firm going forward, and what is that edge, the knowledge edge of a firm is the real question. And that's why I think I'm really excited about this Copilot fine-tuning, because the idea is to be able to take what you have as a firm, which is your knowledge, your data, and use it to essentially tune the Copilot system. But here's the interesting thing, right? You asked, which is, what's the sustainable advantage here? And the sustainable advantage is to get a new sample, to then use these reasoning models with your data to then be able to do RL in the real world, right? So which is the reward function from the market, reinforcing the application of your knowledge to fine-tuning the new sample. Like, that's the virtuous cycle. So the world keeps getting better in terms of its model capability. Firms are about taking that's ultimately a commodity that you bring into the firm. You then, because of all the knowledge work you do internally and the data you have, fine-tune it, put out the output into the world, get the signal. It could be a customer thumbs up, it could be marketplace thumbs up, whatever. That's the reinforcement reward. And then you go back. And that, I think, is sort of the new theory of the firm in my sort of sense of how one needs to go. And you really are going to have to perfect that loop.